come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
हेलो मोटो।
डॉक्टर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, ये खेला कहां से शुरू हो रहा है और कहां तक जा रहा है? अभी 110 सीटें जो अमित शाह जी ने बोली बंगाल में जीतने वाले हैं फेज 1 में, वो हजम नहीं हुआ था लोगों को कि इधर खेला हो गया। 2/3 ऑफ द राज्यसभा मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हैव नाउ मर्ज्ड विद द बीजेपी। कहीं पे निगाहें, कहीं पे निशाना। सुधांशु जी,
देखिए, वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, खेला तो उनके साथ हो रहा है जिन्होंने देश की सुरक्षा, देश की अस्मिता, देश की सामाजिक एकता के साथ खेल करने का कोशिश किया। Those who have consistently, deceitfully, nefarious design tried to play with the national security, national integrity, social harmony, and also to the extent of creating a divide in Indian society, whether on the regional level of North and South, whether in the state level, whether in the linguistic level, or at the caste level. Now those forces are getting a reply. I would respond to both the things. As far as West Bengal is concerned, you have seen the highest ever voter turnout indicates that there is going to be a huge shift. Obviously, logically, whenever such a huge turnout is witnessed, it seems that it is going to for the change. As Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji has said that even in 2021, people have made up their mind for change. That's why BJP got 38% of the vote. And Trinamool Congress strategist at the time, Mr. Prashant Kishore, has said on record कि हमारी गिनती तो 30% से शुरू होती है. So if you consider his claim as correct, and whatever he was indicating by the 30%, that practically means 35%. So it means BJP has got 38, not out of 100, is what 38 out of 65 as per the TMC strategist. So we need just 6% more vote to overcome, because TMC was having 48% of vote. And we are quite confident that now there is a massive, huge shift in favor of BJP, because people of West Bengal wants to get out of the fear, a fear psychosis which has been created by Trinamool Congress. Now they want to come with the confidence of BJP under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi. One more thing I would like to say, as Shri Amit Shah ji has said, Ang, Kaling और Bang, अब ये तीनों जगह कमल खिलेगा. Ang is considered in the ancient India, the area that is southern Bihar, and Kaling is Odisha, and Bang is the original ancient name of Bengal. From there the word Bengal has come, from Bang. And I would like to add, ये गंगा गंगोत्री से निकलती है जो उत्तराखंड में है, फिर हरिद्वार में आती है जो उत्तर प्रदेश में है, फिर संगम में प्रयागराज में जमुना जी उसमें मिल जाती हैं, फिर बिहार में जाती है और जाके बंगाल में गंगा सागर में बंगाल की खाड़ी में आ जाती है. नाउ ये जो राष्ट्रवाद की गंगा है वो गंगोत्री से गंगा सागर तक अविरल धारा के रूप में स्थापित होने जा रही है. देयर इज नो डाउट इफ एंड बट अबाउट इट. And also this Bengal election is not just an important election for Bengal, it is also an important election for the country. Because the type of politics which is being witnessed is Bengal. Now the election will decide that whether they are going to have a full stop or not. The reason being, just a couple of decades back, the states which were infamous for electoral violence were Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Now in UP, Bihar, the elections goes on peacefully. The only state which was having a history of electoral violence, you remember in 2018 Panchayat Raj elections, 75 people died in West Bengal.
and this time there has been no death, and that is commendable.
That the political parties are, यही मैं कह रहा हूं. देखिए, पहली बार आपको सुना होगा कि पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के डिप्लॉयमेंट पे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. और मैं यह भी याद दिला देता हूं, इंडिया के इलेक्शंस में जब से पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस का डिप्लॉयमेंट शुरू हुआ तब से कांग्रेस को कभी क्लियर मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिली है. टीएन शेषन ने इसकी शुरुआत की थी. 1996 का इलेक्शन पहला इलेक्शन था जब सेंट्रल पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस सारी जगह डिप्लॉय किए गए. तो उसके पीछे एक रीजनिंग है, बिकॉज दे कम फ्रॉम वेरियस अदर स्टेट्स. They are not having any inclination, any affection, or any type of attraction towards the local politics. So they are likely to be more objective as far as the electoral process is concerned, and they are just concerned about the process, nothing about whatever the society and others are concerned.
सुधांशु जी
96 के बाद से
थोड़ा सा
कभी-
ब्रेक लगाइए।